Boy Fresh on the track.
Yeah man, wagwan people, wagwan everyone. Welcome to Sim Reality ITV Muchiround episode 14. Panda wakwasa kundi bate Kabhida ninja Kabhida funga tese tunomuzia ndima kusha down ndimvunze bozi mageto yusanga ndimvunze kuti sparks pakumboza Kabhida kuti Kabhida anombonzani chef saka mdara ndima kusha ndinawo panapa achange chikubvunza kuti muri Zimbabwe mushene muri Zimbabwe pasada wanda zvangu chi taura nokutaka kuti welcome to Sim Reality ITV my king.
Oh, respect. Pitbullino. Yeah.
Pitbull, yeah man.
Pitbullino.
Pana panya yakamira su. Ndine makushina ndinoda kuti tishene muri Zimbabwe ndakusikana muri Zimbabwe. Vanhu vazhinji vanozoti Kabhida, but avazive kuti Kabhida ndiani.
Yeah, true.
Kabhida ndiani.
Kabhida is born Ronald Salirana.
Yeah man.
Yeah. I was born like on the 28th of May 1996, 25 years old. Yeah.
Samdala makazo chicha kuinspire kuti uzotanga kuimba.
Yeah, to be honest, like I just grew up loving music. Ndetombotira zvana chimbetu chichi, so ndaningori munanda the vibe of music, yeah, and dembo and then vatatangotira na King Labash, Madcom and Winky. Though ndakavanda fall into Winky and started to listen to the vibes of Winky, and then I was like, I can create something of my own. Ndatango to zira here and there, and then that's how we started.
Right, so to cha kuinspire chi artist ka kuinspire yabona ndo the two local and international obvious na uzushayi ka national but to inspire international but inspire local.
Yeah, one would be very unfair because a whole heap of artists inspired me, like because they inspired me in different ways. Like lyrically, I was inspired by Winky here in Zimbabwe, but the style I appreciate Freeman more when you talk about the style. And then abroad, lyrically, I would like to follow Vibes Cartel, but the melodies of Mavado as well. So I get inspiration from whole heap of artists. I just pick one and two things.
Ndara machallenges amukusangana nawo sa artist muzati music yatino ine machallenges akasiyana sana challenges amukusangana nawo ndapi.
Yeah, my challenges anosangana nema artists like due this time where it's a very difficult time for the artists, like for the musicians, but she look down as chichi, we're not having shows and stuff. Saka could win a project and then you have to find your project. Could we tell you it's very difficult. Saka one on the platform, you are related to what not in Binga, like in the industry, I'm related to Binga. And once I go to spotlight because maybe you don't have anything to fund now, but at least concentrate on my shows and stuff. Test it no gonna budikira because test it something to give.
Well, so challenge I think COVID-19.
Yeah, I think COVID-19 yakabata artist akatwa.
So I'm going to share one challenge you got depend you I'm going to share ne muri Zimbabwe. Imwe yamakasangana bozi mukona mudhari chote kanje kuti ma challenges akakosha pakuti tetine mamwe artist ananga achikukura achida kutanga kuita zvinhu. Saka ari kunosangana ma challenges tungotanga kubvanza ku challenge but unobva pera power. Bakatisa kuti ma challenge anosangana mamwe ma fellow artist zvinokupa power kuti mamwe ari kuzvigona sei kuzvigona so.
Yeah, kana uri artist, you know kuti nobody was born perfect. Saka kana uchitotanga unongone one side zvawakaleka. And then that one side, you only get to win most. So every time you want to talk about music, they will talk about their side. So the more they talk about it, iwewe manje it will make you feel bad. Saka kana uri mumwe munhu akaneta neta manje unotanga kuita chi ma steps back. But kana uri munhu ari strong unotanga kugadzirisa nekuita work on that problem. Like people will not really accept you like for the first time. Alambo kutambire azviite. You understand? Because vanhu kuti munhu ari kunzwa Winky D ari kunzwa Japraiser ari kunzwa Mutukudzi and then uya nekavibe kako kari kuitwa ngekanyowani kasiri kunzwisika haambozvitambire nekutanga. Saka chinotanga makeni kozoya mbiri. Saka you should always be strong and be focused.
Samdara izvi pa music yenyu pane any ma project aripo atokosa kutarisira kuti amaya maybe Kabhida ane zvari kunoita se tibikira anytime soon.
Yeah,
single EP or stuff.
Yeah, a whole heap of projects. Like last year, I wanted to drop an album, but because of the challenge of my fans, man, I couldn't do it. Like I have so many tracks that are reserved, like 8, 9, 10 tracks, but I can't bring them out now because I have my challenges, like financially and even support out there. Because kazhinji you know found to simbisa kuti simbeo, but I try to sakandakango myself on hold. But I'm gonna bring in some tunes and a surprise tune as well. But you should mind, very fun.
Pajeka ndakwa muri Zimbabwe muri kuzvinza zvitoa na Kabhida Pitbull akutira kuti amaya pana zvidhafu zvari kutrongera pamberi apo. Ndana question ndinayo pana pasanda enda zvangu ndeye kubvunza kuti Dara muchiri ku vigilance ere.
No, I cannot say I'm still in vigilance, but my heart is always on the vigilance side. Ndiko ku vigilance but ndiriko futhi.
Right, what you atiri ku vigilance.
Yeah.
But saka mndara tikada kuziya kuti chichakaitika bozi ini ndima no follow music zvekudaro. Baziya ndine madisa ndakazotanga ndakunzwa chichakatoitika mukona kungoda ngodzo mafans zimu reality ITV kuti chichakatoitika between you and Winky D. Kuti muzotange pasotanga buda tumwe ningi tumudisi wakatanga zikutikwa kunzwa.
Yeah, what happened between me and the king, it was like today that I'm turning 25, right? I'm pretty sure it was like 6 years ago, 5 years ago. And then I was on my teens those days and I was young. There was an issue. I feel like I was not really being appreciated. I felt like by that time, you understand? But still, instead, they would end back to the clan and say, no guys, this is not it, we should do this, we should do that. Yeah, I couldn't do that. Maybe it was because I was young. And we cannot say you were still the man you was 6 years back. You understand? Maybe I was young, so I get a rush into telling people my problems. Though bamwe bakavati ziribo bamwe wakati azisibo, but in many years I will not know even if what I did was right, but I did it in a wrong manner. You understand? But though it's something that happened and it's the past now.
Saka ibini mukufunga kuti kune any plan yekudzokera kumaninja kana kuti mune plan yekuda kuti muzotaurwa nemaninja wozoti mwatomuonesa semuonesera kwamandita bozi ndakwanisa kunzwikisa kuti amaya mushongo ari mudiki but izvo nimbozi maninja vanonga understand Winky kuti amaya ona mudhara payapaya ndakazodayo but ndandiri mudiki pane here urongwa hwamuri kuti muona murudzokera kudaro bozi isusu zvokudai muri kuvigilance zvekudaro maiziva because ndima ndofarira Winky D maiziva zvekudaro saka kana ndichodza kuti Winky D ane mamwe mayouth futi ainawo zvinhu zvinondinakidza nzwiwa ndaiziva kuti maya kumane kuvigilance kuna Kabhida ndakamboskipawo Winky D then ndakamboteera Kabhida. Pane any plan yekuti munogona kugara pasi muonesa makuru wani kuti aking una ipayapaya ndakabva izvo so but still inini ndichikuda kuita sei?
Yeah, the only plan I can have with Winky D is maybe I can go to Winky D and apologize for the wrongs I did to him, but it's not like I want to be part of the vigilance again because I'm already a ninja. Even though if I make it through the Pitbull's ways or whatever, eventually but my heart will always be a ninja. I will always support Winky D. Saka inini nditori ninja akangofana nemamwe maninja ari kunzo but anenge manya chinjake waiziya anenge manya chinjake achienda nekwari kuenda but chane chingoda ndechekuti clear out something with the king and I started to live our lives. Wachiita vari kuita ndichita zvese ndandiri kuita
Then the question and then to Kabhida Revealed.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ukona pese pandinoita interview mafesi aziya ndowanzo kukangana that question aziya zvokwenza kuti wefazi yangu ndibvunze kuti wewe usikabvunza
anonga easy kuti
wewe usikabvunza
skills
saka makaroora here ndani
I'm happily married.
Saka zvinoti muri Zimbabwe kana paina kakateya pitbull raita se
Pitbull gwan
pitbull akusisina pitbull rakatorwa waiti mudhara saka imimi maybe the next 5 years muri kuona Kabhida apa.
Yeah, for the next 5 years I'm seeing Kabhida as a brand. Yeah, a brand, a really big artist, like a brand, like a better Kabhida than I am today. We're going to up a next level, like we're trying to reach, like easy. He's trying to be like, we want this international level, and I would really like to help the same dance society to reach it to the international level. You understand? But it's not like I am going to be like singing English or doing the Jamaican style or whatever. No, I'm going to take our culture to the next level. Push them dancer to the international level, not take the international level and do it here and say we're being international. No, that's not being international. We push our style, our culture to the international level.
We're going to have a problem in my helmets. Kuti vanoimba international, then they think kuti vakuenda international. Why is that? What kuimba international no kuenda international?
Because international is not a genre. You will understand. International is not a genre. International is some kind of vibe which relate to many cultures, many religions. Like we have our own culture here in Zimbabwe, and we would like our culture to go international. That's why I always give respect to Japreza, give respect to Winky. Why? Because they are pushing our own culture. You cannot take somebody's culture and do it here and say I'm going international. You understand? You're copying. That's what we call copy and paste, bad man. We want to do our Zim dancers, good business, and take it international.
I think Papa Jega, no problem. Don't you talk about helmet? We manage I see international.
I know. Porongi goes international. Apa very Porongi is
apo ndovuga mdala majeka sazojoka one sasezvinoda kuti tinzwe semburi yeZimbabwe saka mdala panga paine chimwe chinhu ndinachikubvunza kamuchipinduro panga paine chimwe chinhu ndinofungira kuti hama yaSparks anonga achitaura kana chimwe anything choda kuti muudzewo mafans enyu anouya paSimple Reality ITV nomunangomaudza anything.
Yeah, all I can say is Sparks has been an assistant to me and a big man from long time. Like I've worked with him from long time and I see Mero plus kama kida news chaizu news zimuzia kufura juice ulikuwa naboya pa Simple Reality TV straight people Empire. Yeah, you can see my music pa okay, on YouTube you can see Pakanzi Kabhida Official, and then you subscribe. Instagram is Kabhida Official, and then on Facebook Yakanzi Kabhida Vigilance. For bookings and more music on WhatsApp you can contact me by 0785 092 968. It's 0785